It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, November the 17th. I'm Michael Groff. The weather remains quiet for the rest of the week. We will see an increase in clouds by this weekend, and early next week, maybe some unsettled conditions, a small chance at some light rain across the state. We'll take whatever we can get. It's been dry for quite a while, and temperatures will continue to trend down. Let's talk about it first. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 81 degrees the afternoon high, 55 was the morning low. The normal high 76, the normal low 54. And as we take a look outside now, it's 7:15 a.m., mostly cloudy sky across the valley, and we're sitting at 56 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 31, relative humidity 38%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. The upper air look across the country, we've got a zonal flow for the most part. A deep upper low over Saskatchewan, that's bringing quite a bit of wind to the northern plain states. You can see on the watch warning map, high wind warnings and wind advisories across the Dakotas and Minnesota, as well as eastern Montana. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anticipated. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Wednesday morning. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, maybe a few hundredths of an inch. Light rain possible over central and eastern Arizona with a system in here early next week. And we'll talk about that in more detail as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that trough over the northern plain states, windy conditions up there, and a dry northwesterly flow here across Arizona. So down at the surface, yeah, what you see is what you get. Some clouds around, especially this morning, will become mostly sunny by later this afternoon. And high temperatures, upper 70s to about 80, should be just a gorgeous day. Tonight, mostly clear sky, pleasant temperatures, overnight lows, mid-40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny, high temperatures, upper 70s to low 80s. On Friday, we'll see an increase in high clouds. We'll call it partly sunny, highs, upper 70s to about 80. And then over the weekend, ridging builds off the Pacific Northwest coast. An area of low pressure develops underneath that. And so that will continue to inject plenty of mid and high level clouds into the flow here across the southwest. So we'll call it considerably cloudy for both Saturday and Sunday, and high temperatures each day, upper 70s to around 80. Now, as we go to early next week, that ridge will slide across the western states. That area of low pressure remains parked off the southern California coast. We'll still see some high clouds around for Monday. High temperatures right around or maybe even sneaking into the low 80s. Then on Tuesday, our area of low pressure begins to move to the east. Some of our ensemble guidance shows this coming into the region as a closed low, which would yield better concentration of precipitation and higher rain amounts. But other models, such as this deterministic run of the GFS, continue to show an open wave solution. And that would mean still an increase in clouds and at least a chance at some light rain in the afternoon. But the key word on that would be light, and not everybody would get wet. For now, we're just putting in a 20% chance of rain, but again, it's been dry for so long, we'll take whatever we can get. And high temperatures would trend down a little further, probably back toward the mid-70s or so. It could even be cooler than that if a closed low came through and we had better concentration of rain. We'll just have to see. Then here's a week from today. This is Wednesday the 24th, and that wave gets hung up across northern Mexico. Some guidance even shows a follow-up wave coming into the southwest, but even in that scenario, the wave would be moving over land, which means it's not going to pick up any Pacific or Gulf moisture. So we would be dry, but maybe slightly cooler. That remains to be seen. Then this is Thanksgiving Day, and again, things look very quiet here over the southwest. Temperatures might just be a couple of degrees above normal, and really, the weather across most of the country, very tranquil for Thanksgiving Day. Maybe a little bit of rain and snow across the northeast. There's evidence of maybe a nor'easter sometime Wednesday or early Thursday, but probably not that intense of a storm, hopefully not. And here's the end of the forecast period. This is Friday the 26th. It's Black Friday. There's a trough over Texas. You've got some rain maybe for the Gulf Coast, but here in the southwest, that looks dry and seasonal. All right, looking at rainfall for the Phoenix area. This is coming off of the GFS ensemble. This goes through the 1st of December. And some models do show that rain in here early next week. Others are indicating an opportunity for precipitation further on past Thanksgiving and before the end of November. The ensemble mean has crept up to just under a quarter of an inch. And then temperatures off the national blend of models. Afternoon highs just a little bit above normal through the weekend, even early next week, and then trending down by Thanksgiving and going out there toward the end of November. Highs in the low 70s, lows around 50, maybe dropping into the 40s for most of the valley. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, and leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it each and every day. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.